What's up, boys? John Funded back testing video. We just got back from my girl's lake house. That shit was lit. We got lit, but it's time to lock the fuck in. Fuck! I just skipped an entire day. Whatever. So let's get dialed right in. Hope everyone had a really good 4th of July. That was pretty good. Didn't really see that many fireworks though. It's whatever. But overall, it was good. Chill. Wednesday, FOMC. I'm not trading this day. Let's see if we would have missed anything. No, what did price do? Bruh. We. I'm not even surprised. The only time you fucking don't trade F1C, we get a plus setup. Love it. Not even surprised. But FOMC days, I always lose, and they're just not good days, so. Yeah, alright. Anyways, why can I not. Why's my. Oh my gosh! Bro! Fucking hell, let me trade, bitch. Damn. This TS pissing me off. Alright, whatever. Alright, price is obviously printing bullish. We just manipulated this 4-hour high. We do have still good draws to the upside. So price obviously looks like it wants to continue higher, but we need to be a little more careful because we just manipulate this 4-hour high, we potential SMT. But overall, price is a strong bullish trend. We have no news Friday, so we do have a bunch of draws to the upside. So we got some low resistance draws we could be potentially taking out. Let's see what we do here because we have a potential bearish SMT off this 4-hour high. But we're extremely bullish, and yeah. Alright, I'm not too worried if price takes out these 30-minute highs, because we do have good draws to the upside here. So now we're getting a nice deep retracement. Let's see if we can, like... Okay, now we're selling off. I'm not too worried, because we just manipulated these draws. I want price to respect this 5-minute gap on ES. Okay. We inverse the gap, draws to the downside. Kind of rare, don't have shit. So, could do hourly equilibrium. But against this higher time frame trend, I don't want to be targeting equilibrium like this. So, okay, there's equilibrium hit. Price is just kind of shit in the bed. It's 10:20. Draws to the downside. Fill of this 30-minute gap. But I've done this before where I've targeted this fill of the 30-minute gap when the higher time frame is clearly bullish. I get absolutely shredded. So, of course, this time we just dump right through it. If we can, like, inverse this 1-minute gap, I'm already rejected out of it. Okay, I like this displacement. 5-minute retrace inside this 5-minute gap. We did break to the upside, but we are selling off. Draws to the downside. We have session low. Hold on. Could do stops by the wick. What is this RR? I'm gonna do stops at the body. First TP could be a 0.7, and then we could just let price run. Both indexes are selling off. I'm not too worried about price breaking to the upside because ES didn't while NQ did. We are in this 5-minute gap. Price is selling off. Can really fill this 30-minute. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to take a partial here. I'm going to go break even here. Is that dumb? No, I'm taking a partial there. So price sold off. Obviously 5-minute bearish order flow. 5-minute retrace into this fair value gap. Rejected out of it. Strong displacement break in 1 minute. This is an A+ setup. Okay, first TP snagged. Just keep dumping. Keep dumping. Keep dumping. Bang! That was an A+ setup, boys. That was an A++++. A+ setup. That's about it. A+ setup. Broke it down for you guys. Don't really journaling that much. June has low-key been a shitty month for me to trade. I feel like I've been missing a bunch of entries, not being focused. And yeah, so yeah, alright. Anyways, let's just dial the fuck in. It's like, why can't every single trade just be like that, you know? Like, if every single trade was just beautiful, easy, chill, I would probably be a millionaire by now. But what's the fun in that, you know? Being a millionaire at 17, it's not fun at all. Duh. Alright. So Monday, 9:45 PMI. Stay a little patient, obviously. See if this price just wicks. We do have a new day open gap we just filled. Looks like price is in. We just inverse this hourly gap to the downside. If we reject out of this gap, what the fuck? Anyways, same thing here. We have this hourly gap. Ooh, we inversed it here. Yes, we didn't. Alright, let's be a little patient. Wait for the indexes to align. See what news gives us. Okay, SMT. I'm gonna be a little more patient here, but I feel like this was the entry after this. No. SMT, 1 minute break, 1 minute inverse. I guess. Damn. Do have to fill this gap. What is this? This is New York high from Friday. Potential bearish SMT in the making. Could probably fill this hourly gap. Beautiful retrace. Inverse this gap here. Okay. This is high key. I don't know if I like this at all. How far away is this? 0.2% this late in the day. 10:18. We just got a 5-minute retrace into that gap. We have good stops, good RR. I'm gonna take this trade. Alright. Honestly, I wasn't even that confident in that shit. What did I do wrong? Why didn't price want to continue higher? Why didn't price want to continue higher to this 4-hour high? I don't know. There has to be an answer somewhere. Oh, looks like NASDAQ completely filled the gap and rejected outside the gap. Yeah, Projecting outside hourly gap. Gambled hourly gap. Price respected. We need to pull our checklist. Checklist here. Alright, clear higher time frame bias. It was obviously bullish. Liquidity sweep on higher time frame. There's no sweep to the downside. I think we did manipulate 5-minute lows, then reversed. 5-minute retrace, yes. 5-minute change or 5-minute high priced in, yes. 1-minute confirmation, yes. Chop work, it was not choppy. CPI, NFP, or FOMC, no. So I think the only downside was price didn't take something out to the downside, like a strong drop. But we did manipulate 5-minute lows. Pretty sure, if I'm wrong, correct me, but I'm pretty sure we manipulated something. But price was clearly bullish there. I feel like I would have taken that any other day in live market or not. It looks good. So tomorrow, class, we have, whatchamacallit, we have live market. We took off work, or we traded our shift in, boys. So we get a free trading day tomorrow in my own room. And then right after, we got arms. We're gonna have a great day tomorrow. So we do have these stacked up lows. Price could potentially, is probably gonna come down and take out these lows. Hopefully not just dump. That would piss us off, honestly. So, alright, let's tee in. Okay, I want price to come up, take out this hourly high, reverse. Beautiful. Hourly high gone. We'll see price reverse now. Beautiful. Give us a little retrace. Don't just dump. Alright, you dumb bitch. Alright, no setup. We do have a bunch of draws to the downside. I'm not too worried. Okay. Probably no trading today. This looks like shit. Still have draws to the downside. We have an SMT. It's 1020. We just broke. Not break. Let's get another 5-minute retrace. Okay, this is the break back to the upside. I kind of want to put price at this 5-minute low. I'm going to stop at this 5-minute low, target hourly high, and then we have London highs. We're a little late here. It's 11 p.m. Or it's 11 a.m. Price obviously wants to continue. All right, let's break it down. Clear higher time frame bias. I see green, green, bullish, bullish, bullish. Indexes, bullish, bullish. Liquidity sweep, yes. 5-minute change, yes. 5-minute retrace, yes. Broke, broke. Alright, I want to take this long here, boys. Is that 3 or 2 partials? Close this. First TP. Alright, bro. Like, damn, it was a big ass trade. I could easily move my stops even lower. Whatever. I had the right idea. Got manipulated. Then, of course, hit TP. Was targeting a huge trade. But either way, what happened? Really had realized I was targeting a big move. Alright, so we're on a losing streak. Losing streak. Cooked streak. Cooked streak. Alright. Wednesday. Hold on, boys. Wednesday. We got all-time highs? Oh, shit. We just approached all-time highs, boys. Nah, we don't like trading all-time highs. Very, very, very bad. Alright. ES is nowhere near all-time. We kind of are. So we do have a draw to target, but I already got taken out. So we basically just have a huge SMT. We know like. Wednesday, 10 a.m. news. Price obviously seems pretty bullish to me. Are we sure we are all-time highs? Yeah, we are. Alright. Price looks really choppy here, so let's see what happens. So NASDAQ has a draw. Okay, that's nowhere. That's in buttfuck nowhere. So if we have any room to be taking any trades, it would be if price wants to reverse lower. That being said, it's happening right now. We want to see like 5-minute bearish order flow. Beautiful 5-minute break. NASDAQ is respecting this 5-minute gap. We're getting a retrace now. It's okay, deep retrace. Yeah, this is straight chop work. Jeez, boys, hold on, give me a sec. So we're getting shredded this week, boys. We're down fucking 4,100. We're having a shitty month. Like, what the hell? Deadass, what the hell, boys? We getting cooked. Okay. ES is still slowly approaching all-time highs, so I wouldn't be surprised if maybe today, maybe tomorrow we manipulate these highs and then start a huge dump potentially. But by the looks of it, price is kind of selling. My nose burns. Kind of selling off here. Already rejecting outside this gap. Not too valid. Price is in 5-minute bearish order flow. We have 8:30 news. We have this low. We have this high. We have good draws to the downside and to the upside. Higher time frame looks pretty red to me. I mean bullish to me. Did take out these 1 hour lows. And we start reacting off of them. I want to target data highs. Okay, beautiful. SMT. Let's get a setup here. This is just straight chop work. This looks like shit. Fucking hell. Price is just dumping. Okay. I'm not too worried. We have an SMT at London lows. Price is switching up hella hard. I kind of want to go long here. Like, what is like stop me from taking this long? Could do stops. That's low-key shitty RR. 5-minute bearish order flow, but like we have an S&T. Both indexes are aligning pretty bullish. We're rejecting outside this what? This hourly gap completely filled. Same thing here. We're looking pretty good for longs. I want to take this long. Stops at the body. I'm gonna be a little more patient. Fuck me. Fuck me. Literally fuck me. That was our trade. Why do I do this to myself? Why do I do this to myself? Why not just take the trade? Why not take the 1.1 RR? Ah, that was a free RR. 1-to-1. Should've just took it. Potential. Continue higher. Computer. Got a 5-minute retrace. We filled this gap. Both indexes aligning pretty bullish. Good draws to the upside. Have wide stops. Yoink. First TP here. 1-to-1. This is a 30-minute high. Price is obviously printing really bullish. Or we have another high up here, which is a good trade, but too much. So let's just target this 30-minute high. Do we target this 30-minute high? Do we target this 30-minute high? How far away is this 4-hour high? We're already late. It's 10:50. It's 0.15%. Let's see if it hits. First TP. Now we're break even. We would have hit our first TP. Fuck. Still all-time butt fuck highs. We're down 4,100. We gotta pull out Daddy's credit card because we're fucked. We're about to make my family bankrupt. Not doing too well. Putting my dad's credit card in debt. We're down hella bread. I'm fucked. Start taking out loans from the bank. Support my gambling addiction. Fuck, dude. Let's see if price wants to continue this downtrend. Alright. Let's see what we do inside this 30-minute gap here. So, oh my days. I'm just gonna where's the fuck the drawing at? There you are. Okay, really filled it. We say fuck the gap. We ain't too early, but price ain't looking too sweet. And we just bull run, bro. We just ugh. Love it, bro. Let's keep going up, bitch. Alright. Reapproach spot fucked eyes. Okay. This is called trading the retracement. No draws to the downside. No draws to the upside. Draws to the downside. This is so dumb. I'm not taking this bullshit. We have nothing. Fill this 30. Alright, boys. We're getting shredded. We're done for the day. We just did a week. We're getting fucked. We're down. This is a good one. Plus 6 bands. Alright, next episode. We're starting with Rich soon. Fuck this one. This one was good. You made 10 bands there. But whatever the fuck we're doing right now is straight ass, so. Alright, boys. Hope everyone had an amazing 4th of July. We're wrapping this shitter up. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.